Number 1, spell the word finally. I finally finished my math homework. Finally. Number 2, spell the word quickly. The baseball player quickly ran to first base. Quickly. Number 3, spell the word person. That person over there is my neighbor. Person. Number 4, spell the word became. I became a teacher. Became. Number 5, spell the word minutes. You have 40 minutes to complete your stations. Minutes. Number 6, spell the word inches. You must be 48 inches tall to ride the roller coaster. Inches. Number 7, spell the word surface. The surface of the bowl was shiny. Surface. Number 8, spell the word building. This year we have a new school building. Building. Number 9, spell the word ocean. I went to the ocean last summer. Ocean. Number 10, spell the word common. My brother and I have a lot in common. Common.